For a long, long time, when we talked about assistance for low vision, we were really just talking about tools like magnifying glasses or white canes. And look, those are absolutely essential, but they have their limits. Well, today, we're in the middle of this massive shift, moving away from simple magnification and into the world of genuine artificial intelligence. So let's dive into how this tech is completely redefining what's possible.
What if the smartphone in your pocket, or maybe a pair of glasses, didn't just get you on the internet, but actually connected you to the visual world in a totally new way? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the real promise of the technology we're about to break down.
Okay, so it all starts with one fundamental idea: teaching a device how to see. We're giving our everyday gadgets a brand new, powerful sense. We're turning them from just simple tools into active, intelligent assistants that can perceive the world around you. The key that unlocks all of this is a technology called computer vision. Just think of it like this. It's a field of AI that's all about training computers to interpret and, understand the visual world. So using the camera on your phone or on a pair of glasses, these AI models can identify everything from text on a page to a friend's face to an obstacle in your path. We are literally teaching machines the sense of sight. And this is where it gets incredibly practical, right? This isn't some abstract tech for a lab. It means you can point your phone at a menu and boom, have it read to you instantly. It can let you know if a friend is walking towards you in a crowded room, or even give you a description of a busy street scene before you decide to cross.
Let's just zero in on a simple everyday challenge. You're in a restaurant. The menu has that small, kind of fancy font, and maybe the lighting isn't great. For anyone with low vision, this can be a real frustrating barrier. You just need to get that information, and you need it quickly and discreetly. And that right there just perfectly shows the power of AI. Instead of struggling, a device just scans the text and converts it into clear speech in seconds. The barrier is just gone. Information is suddenly right there, accessible. But what happens when we take this amazing technology from recognizing words on a page to navigating the dynamic world all around us? So AI can recognize things, which is pretty incredible. But what about actually helping you move through the world safely? Well, this is where AI becomes your digital co-pilot, totally focused on your navigation and mobility. Now, this is way more advanced than just your average map app. These systems use some seriously cool tech, like LiDAR, which you can think of as radar, but with light, to build a live 3D map of everything around you. It combines that with GPS to know where you are, and then it communicates with you, either through spoken directions or even haptic feedback. Those subtle vibrations like the buzz from your phone that can guide you without a single sound. So how does that actually work when you're walking down the street? It's a simple but really powerful loop. The AI is constantly scanning the path ahead of you in real time. It doesn't just see a curb. It understands that's a change in elevation. It sees a lamppost and knows it's a fixed obstacle. And the best part? It tells you about them before you get there, giving you that crucial time to react. And this is the most important part. Traditional tools are reactive. You find the curb with your cane. AI navigation is proactive. It tells you the curb is coming up in 5 feet. That small shift from reaction to anticipation is an absolute game changer for walking with confidence and independence. All right, let's look a little further down the road now, because the next wave of this technology isn't just about describing the world. It's about actively enhancing it using something called augmented reality, or AR. The challenge today is that some things are just plain hard to see, like a dark staircase. The AR solution of tomorrow doesn't just tell you the stairs are there. No, through a pair of smart glasses, it could actually overlay bright, glowing lines on the edges of each and every step, making them pop and become clearly visible to you. I mean, think of these as AR superpowers for your vision. Imagine looking at a sign way off in the distance and having the text digitally sharpened and its contrast boosted. Or looking at a cluttered table and having the one thing you need, like your keys, instantly highlighted with a colored glow. AR is all about adding a layer of useful information directly onto the world you see. Now, beyond all of the day-to-day assistance, AI is also becoming a really powerful partner inside the clinic. It's helping to protect our long-term vision health by catching problems earlier than ever before. AI models are currently being used to analyze images of the back of the eye, and they are incredibly good at spotting the tiny, super subtle changes that can be the very first signs of serious conditions, sometimes even before a human doctor might notice them.
And it's not just about a one-time scan. The real power of AI here is in recognizing patterns. By tracking very small, subtle changes in your vision over months or even years, it can give your doctor invaluable data, which allows for earlier intervention and much more personalized treatment. So, when we put all of these pieces together, what does it all really mean? Well, it means we are fundamentally redefining what is possible. We are moving towards a future that's built on a foundation of greater access and true independence. We've seen how AI provides this amazing full toolkit for accessibility. It's not just one single solution, it's a whole suite of them working together, helping you recognize your surroundings, navigate safely, see the world more clearly through augmentation, and even protect your long-term health.
And the pace of this change is just breathtaking. Every single year, these systems are getting smarter, they're getting smaller, and they're becoming more integrated into our lives. We are definitely on a path toward a future where vision loss becomes less of a barrier and more of a manageable condition. And that brings us right back to the beginning, doesn't it? This technology is so much more than just code and cameras. It's a key that can unlock brand new possibilities. So I'll leave you with this to think about. How could this technology change your world?
My name is Dr. Sal Jivraj, and I am a low vision and a neuro-optometrist based in Calgary, Alberta. I'm excited to talk to you today about low vision and some options we have for patients who would like to see better for distance, intermediate, and at reading. At our practice, we have a lot of the advanced low vision options, such as bioptics for distance and reading. We have the side awareness glasses. We also have the e-scoop glasses, which can be very beneficial for patients who are looking to drive. So I'd be happy to see you at our locations in Calgary. Again, I'm Dr. Sal Jivraj, a low vision and a neuro-optometrist, and I look forward to hearing from you if you would like to get help with your low vision. Thank you and have a good day.